that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Now, look, we'll keep the whole thing secret until we're ready to release, just in case it doesn't come off. But I'm a little worried about Lina. She doesn't like Miss Selden. There might be fireworks.
I guarantee you, Lina won't even know she's on the lot.
Okay, boys, this is great. The dueling cavalier can be saved. Now, let's see. The dueling cavalier with music. The title. The title's not right. We need a musical title. Cosmo?
Hey, the dueling mammy. No. I've got it. No. The Dancing Cavalier.
That's it, Don, the Dancing Cavalier. Cosmo, remind me to make you a scriptwriter.
Well, thanks, all right. Have a cigar.
Thanks. Now, what about the story? We need modern musical numbers.
How's this? We throw a modern section into the picture. The hero's a young hoofer in a Broadway show, right?
Right.
Now he sings and he dances, right?
Right.
But one night backstage, he's reading the tale of two cities, in between numbers, see? And a sandbag falls and hits him on the head, and he dreams he's back during the French Revolution, right?
Right.
Well, this way we get in the modern dancing numbers, Charleston, but in the dream part, we can still use the costume stuff.
Sensational. Cosmo, remind me to give you a raise.
The ORF.
Yes?
Give me a raise.
Tells her of her charms. Would you? They met as you and I, and they were only friends. But before the story ends, he'll kiss with a sigh. Would you? And if the girl were I, would you? And would you dare to say, let's do the same as they?